Good morning, BNI once again. Today, with whom we are sitting here, this handsome gentleman, his name is Amol Kadu, Dr. Amol Kadu. He is an orthopedic doctor and specializes in knee replacements. He is a BNI member since 5 months, and guess what? He's given 4 referrals average per week. So that's a great count, Amolji.
Thank you.
Head table thinks about him that he's a powerhouse, and at the same moment, you will realize in the whole interview that he's very calm and sweet. So, Dr. Kadu, if we can start with our interview,
Yes.
what or who inspired you to become a doctor?
Probably my father, because as I think he wanted to be a doctor himself, but he couldn't be because of his financial situations and probably the situations at the village where he was staying. So that desire of his to become a doctor naturally inspired me to be one of this noble profession.
Great. So I think everybody would want to be to have a son like Dr. Amol Kadu. Uh, what other career uh, suits you? You think?
Other career option, probably I would have been an entrepreneur, would have had some business.
Any specific business that?
Not exactly, never thought of it, but probably I would have been into some kind of management thing. I would have gone for MBA and some kind of management degrees because I probably like I have a hidden entrepreneurial DNA in my so probably I would have been into some kind of management side of the businesses.
Excellent. कोई एक ऐसा सिचुएशन जो आपको लगता है आपके पूरे करियर का टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा है अब तक?
Okay, so the biggest decision that I had to take was choosing the place where I want to settle down. Because अगर मैं अपने नेटिव प्लेस चला जाता तो आई वुड हैव बीन किंग बाय नाउ, क्योंकि उस वक्त देयर वाज नो ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन इन माय टाउन and probably I would have settled very easily and I would have earned like anything. But I decided to stay back. That was one of the toughest decision because staying in Nagpur without any background, any support was very difficult. So, but I chose to be here and I'm here surviving.
Wow, thriving, I will say. Great. So, another question is a little again a personal question. 3 things that you would want to do before you die.
Okay. The first thing, as I told you, I have a big managerial or entrepreneur DNA in me. So I want to build a hospital, which I am in process of doing. So that is
Wow.
one thing which I am trying to do. Second, I want to die with 6-pack abs. So that is the second thing. And third, I think I should feel content before I die. That is one last thing I would
Excellent.
suggest.
All our BNI member energies are with you to
Thank
do
you so
all
much.
of this.
Thank you.
We don't want you to die. So a quick rapid fire round we'll have. There are 5 questions, not more than 50 seconds. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great.
Go ahead.
A magazine that you read regularly.
Uh, Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery, probably, but actually magazine that is Autocar.
Autocar.
Yes.
So you love cars.
Yes.
A favorite ritual from your childhood that you're still following.
Just lighting up the what we call diya in the
Oh, is it?
at home once in the morning after my bath. That is one ritual I'm still following.
Great. So if you find any good shape or any beautiful diya that you find in the market, before doing a one-to-one, please get one.
Thank
Dr.
you.
Amol.
That's a great solution. That's a great solution.
Which of these qualities are non-negotiable for you in your employees? Loyalty, reliability, competence, sympathy, reliability.
I think competence comes first,
Competence
then
comes first.
then the loyalty and reliability.
Great.
These are 3 main things which I look for someone.
Excellent. 2 things that you like most about your home.
About my home, one is balcony where I can sit because I have a home in front of my balcony. There is a big cricket ground,
Wow.
which I like to see young kids playing there. And second is the terrace.
So you like cricket?
Yeah, I'm a diehard cricketer.
Great. Okay, my last question goes this way. BNI in one sentence.
Networking.
Wow, excellent. Dr. Amol Kadu is a person who motivated me to, get into some fitness exercise to look after fitness of my body. And I really like this from Dr. Amol Kadu. He is a person you can connect with very quickly, is my feedback about Dr. Amol Kadu. Thank you, Dr. Amol Kadu, for being here for this Coffee with EDs.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you.